rugged terrain of the Himalayas, and a world record being created at an altitude of 14,800 feet. It's not just a journey, it's the journey of exploration, of oneself amidst the raw nature, of one's needs, reflexes, body and mind. It's an exploration of the power that is born out of nature that we humans desire. It's a journey with no end. The challenge is 12 days of ultimate adventure, a test of your patience, endurance and determination. 12 days of going beyond your limits. At times, there is doubt, a disease that infects your mind. You are skeptic about your skills, your path, your motives. At such times, only determination can pull you out from the abyss. There is a constant struggle between your capabilities and Mother Nature. You realize, along with the unimaginable beauty, also comes the low oxygen, cold, direct sun rays that burns your skin, and some of the toughest mountain roads. But sometimes, to achieve something great, you need to go beyond your limits. The key is to keep your mind focused on your goal, because true power would always come from within.